Myntri Rangbah ke Jyla Meghalaya konrad ki sangmah nin ke simulation bentah ke Jong Jong ki stakeholders but consultative meeting but ki Rangbah Shnong Jong ke Greater Shillong planning area lo ke waste management and urban rejuvenation. Akan ke Ïakren ru ikilat banyak syakmat da ke don bentah syed rehem Jong ki patba. Myntri Rangbah hadian ba uladep Ïakren bat ki nongwan Jyla halo ke pen internet ke pen kelut ya ke kapnya bat ke pen kut ya ki jabo jaban ki jaka de marbam bat ki wei.
It was a discussion like we're doing right now in a closed room. So this discussion should have never gone out. So I'm very upset at that, the fact that this was an internal talk that went out. Now, let me give you the background. This is out, and let me tell you the background of the talk. So we were discussing about how to create a green space and a walking space and a tracking space, means for bicycles, all from the PD point of view, from Police Bazaar all the way up to the DC junction, the Shillong Club junction.